Hello and welcome. We have all the boys here. Nick, say hello.
Check us.
Today is the day after God knows how long of bullying Stacey about her high car. Look at this. It's like a four-wheel drive. You could take this to Woodhill and not get stuck. She's finally copped some suspension. I'm not talking shit, I'm talking the truth. And we're gonna slam it. So we're gonna bring you along and we're gonna transform it, or we'll get an overview right now of this to way down here somewhere, touching the ground.
Yeah, so we had the car 2.5 years, so it's finally time.
Yeah, 2.5 years of this. I think the only things that she's done are the stuff that me and Nick have done. Painted the headlight insert black and put a lip spoiler on it. What? 3.5 years, and she's done nothing apart from the stuff that we've done. So now she's finally doing something. So good work, Stacey. We'll crack in.
And money bags helping pay for these.
Ooh, look at these Johns.
So yeah, shout out to Steve Kerr.
Oh yeah, shout out Steve. Gave Nick and Stacey some deluxe car wax, some stickies and some smellies,
Yeah, nice.
and the suspension, which looks really short, so it should go super low.
Thumbnail.
Super slammed. Alright, let's do it. Mike buy this van. And now he's trying to do a rocker cover gasket. And take off.
Ooh, intake off and a lot of pipes. And then hopefully soon to get access.
No leak. If it leak, engine out.
No leaks.
Oh, we'll report back and see how it goes. But for now, I'm gonna turn the music back on and turn you off. So Nick just ripped the old parcel tray out and dropped the top bolts up there. Nice and simple. So we have no lock nut key. But Mike's been battling, but winning.
Oh, I'm almost there, man.
He's almost there. Intake is only 5 bolts.
Intake is down.
Down. You look at that, mate. Not as bad as we thought. Easy.
Yeah, it was like a disaster, but when you start digging, it's good.
It's good. Gold mine. But yeah, no lock nut key, so Nick's battling trying to get some shit done. Stacey's supervising. But yeah, we can't get the old the wheels off until Jess gets here because she's got a lock nut key. So we're just taking all the brake hoses off, and we took the rear bolts out of the strut because you don't really need to take the wheel off to do that, but obviously to get it out you will. And on this side, oh, here we go. Switching. No, now it's stuck. But yeah, need to get the wheels off to get these out. Oh well. Soon. Soon.
Mr. Nicholas. Surgical touch.
Surgical touch.
I think we just should wait for the wheel, eh?
Yeah, wait for the wheel. It'd be way easier. But yeah, we're stuck. So this is the predicament right now. Oh, surgical touch, mate.
Yeah,
Surgical touch. Ta-da! Where's the new one? We'll do a little comparison. Whoa! Look at the difference, look. Woodhill 4-wheel driving, stance boy. Woodhill 4-wheel driving, stance boy. You're already like 2 inches lower.
We haven't even adjusted.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to learn to drive with speed bumps.
Good job, Steve. We approve. So we just got the backs in, and did you even lower it? No. Straight out of the box. And this is what we got. She's gonna be pretty slam boy. It's a nice fitment there as well. What do you reckon?
Right.
It's great. You'll be getting photos after this, will you?
No, my car looks prettier.
Why? No, it doesn't. You're being silly. And this side in. So now, jump onto the fronts. Just put the hoist down, or you?
No.
Nah, you reckon?
Bad for my back.
So, gonna slap this bed.
Is this for the side, is it?
Yeah, because that tab faces out that way. No, keep going around, brother. Is that straight?
You're not straight. There we go.
No, it's the fucking camber at the top straight, you Turk. Yeah. No, you're good. Chuck that up there like that. And we'll get the front ones in, and then we'll put her on the ground and show you how slam she is. And I think Mike's nearly sorted. Where's the steamer update?
Oh,
Rocker cover back on.
rocker cover cleaning and spark plugs.
Oh, spark plugs, yeah.
You do everything, you do spark plugs as well.
Yeah, fair enough. So Mike's nearly done. 1 hour?
Maybe 2.
Maybe 2. 2 hours.
Depends how much cleaning. And that's it.
And that's it. And then Bob's your auntie.
Like a poet is gonna run.
So yeah, that's where we're at. So we're gonna get this sorted, and then we'll bring you back out and show you the slamness. So I've been a bit slack with the old videoing, but Jess is here now as well. Say hello to the camera. But we got the fronts in. Looks pretty shiny. Taking the guard lining out. Probably gonna have to tuck the loom eventually, but we'll see how we go. And old mate over here stripping the guard lining out. Did you take the nuts out at the top of that one?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
No, not yet.
Nah. Oh, fucking sconed himself. But yeah, gotta take the guard lining out obviously because we're all slam boy now, or slam girl, and puss around a wee bit with wheel fitment, bend these little tabs up, and she should be good to go on the ground, and hopefully she looks good. Look at that camber in the back there. Fitment. Woo! Yeah, he needs some Johns. Oi, Stacey, you're gonna have to change your Instagram name from Stacey Cherry to Staceys Cherry 69. That's gonna be your name.
Cherry.
You know, what's her name?
Cherry.
Oh, that, yeah, fucking whatever. Same shit, different fruit, isn't it?
It's not even a fucking fruit.
You're a fucking fruit.
Cherry is a fruit. Cherie is a name.
Oh, it looks like cherry.
Matches my cardi.
Mm. Pineapple. Blueberries. Gooseberry. Mm.
That's right, you're a berry. You're a strawberry.
I'm actually a blueberry.
Nah, why?
Because I just decided.
Nah. Raspberry.
Rasp.
Oh.
Rasp. Berry. Mm. Okay, there's enough. So we got it all in. Might need a dial in the front camber, but we're just about to put her on the old ground. So thought I'd better get out the camera and we'll see how slammed she gets. I think the rear's gonna be fucking low unless it doesn't move at all, and the front, yeah, who knows. Might not even get off the hoist.
We need a case.
Is it sitting on the arms or no?
No.
It's not on the hoist at the front.
No, that's on the deck.
It's on the old hoist arms at the back though.
With the jack, eh?
Get the jack, see what we reckon. Might need to raise the back a wee bit. Looking good so far anyway. Perfect, you reckon?
Yeah, it just came together.
Camber the front end. What do you reckon she's gonna say?
She sings it.
It's like way slammed compared to what it used to be. Sorry about the compressor, can't help it. No, it looks way better though.
Just ask if they should put the VSSSs on the front.
Yeah, I reckon we should just chuck them on anyway. What do you reckon?
I reckon.
Yeah, I reckon we chuck them on. On fleek, mate. She's gonna be on fleek.
She's on the deck now. Mate.
On the deck, that's for sure. It needs better fitment in the rear. Standard Sylvia things where it cambers in more one side than the other. Could chuck Jess's wheels on it too, have a guess.
Fuck, it's low.
It's fucking slammed.
It's an exhaust.
It's gonna look sick. That's all it needs to do, it just needs to look cool. You got that one for fucking making it fast and shit. But yeah, we'll finish dialing this in and then we'll get it outside for a better look. On the ground, woo! Yeah. It's looking fresh, mates.
Still seems high on the front because you can still see the bottom.
Yes. A little bit high.
Like a ride's man.
Yeah, it's pretty smooth actually. Yeah, you can't really complain too much.
Oh, the first sign of rubbish.
No, it's pretty.
I reckon it's perfect if it just rubs like that.
Yeah, if it just rubs, that's how you know you've got the fitment. Fucking good. So there we have it. It's the final product. Very nice. What do you reckon?
Happy.
Happy? Is it on fleek?
Yes. Thanks.
I've got Jess's one. Oh, they haven't seen the wheels yet.
The wheels. My wheels. They have now.
They have now.
I don't look at my eye.
So now we got blue, white, red. Just need yellow and black and grey.
It's the French flag.
Enjoy, motherfuckers.
Whatever, this is the end of the video.
So now we just need your car.
My car.
Yeah. Yep, we need your car to be done. Oh, that just sprayed all back in my mouth. Ha!
This is the end of the video. Bye.